With these simple tricks, you can easily boost your internet speed. Believe it or not, 90% of people don't even know this setting exists. Hi everyone, welcome to this video. Today we are going to learn a few simple tricks that will not only make your internet faster, but also help you check if your Wi-Fi is really secure or not. For step 1, go on your setting. After that, tap on connections. After that, tap on Wi-Fi. And then tap on this icon, gear icon. Look for the security option. If it says WPA2 or WPA, that means your network is using encryption. Think of encryption like sending a secret letter with a special codebook. No one else can read it. Modern encryption is way more advanced and WPA2 or WPA is considered secure. But be careful. If you ever see a Wi-Fi with no password, avoid connecting. Many of those are trapped designed to steal your data. For step 2, go back to Wi-Fi setting and then tap on this icon, 3 dots. And after that, tap on Intelligent Wi-Fi. Now, here's a cool trick. Tap Intelligent Wi-Fi for 7 times. This unlocks a hidden tab called Connectivity Labs. Tap on Connectivity, scroll down, and you will see Wi-Fi bands 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz. 5 GHz gives you faster speed but only at short range. 2.4 GHz has longer range but a slower speed. You will also see the Wi-Fi generation, Wi-Fi generation 4, Wi-Fi generation 5 and even Wi-Fi generation 6. The higher the generation, the faster and more stable your internet will be. For step 3, scroll down a little bit and check the unsecured section. Here, you will find unsafe networks you might have connected in the past. Make sure to avoid them in the future. For last one, optimize your Wi-Fi signal at home. Go back. After that, tap on Home Wi-Fi Inspection. Tap Start. After that, tap on your Wi-Fi. Tap on Next. And after that, tap on Next again. Tap on Start. And then walk around your home and the tool will help you find the strongest signal spot for the best internet speed. And that's it. With these quick tricks, you will have a faster, safer, and more reliable internet connection. Thanks for watching. 2 more videos are now on the screen. Make sure to check them out. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tips.